Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to unpivot a table in MS SQL Server. So previously we had seen how to pivot a table. So this was the table that we saw in the last session. So there was product name, quantity and city. These were the columns. So what this actually meant was these different products that are available in the warehouses of these different cities. So the quantity of these products that are available after a day's sale is displayed in this table, right? So each of these products. But what we did was this is very difficult to read. So we decided to pivot this table and we used two different methods. One was using the case when statements and the other one was using the pivot operator in MS SQL Server. So this is a very standard way of solving it, and it can be used in Postgres and MySQL also. I have created a temporary table here. Like how it is done here is it is a regular query itself, but after that you write into pivoted products, right? So that is how this is different. So when you create this hash pivoted products, so that is the name that is given to the temporary table. So that is temporarily stored in your database, right? So now let us see. Yeah, now I have executed this query and you can see this. So this is the table that we'll be working on in this current session, right? So how is it done? So first of all, we'll see how we can do it using union all, right? So what we'll be writing here is we'll be combining three different tables here. So first of all, let's execute this first table and see, right? So what it is doing here is select product name Delhi. So this is the name Delhi, which is like we are mentioning that we have to consider that as a separate name in that particular table, and the column name would be as city, and we'll see that this column right here, the Delhi column, the quantity will be taken from this column. So that is what we have specified here, and you can see that it has created a table for Delhi, and similarly we can see a table for Mumbai also. Let's execute this and see. So here for Mumbai it has created another table, and now for Bangalore also it will create another table. So what we're supposed to do now is combine all these tables. So for that we can use union all, right? So union all stacks the table one over the other. So that is what it is used for. It appends the table. Okay, let's combine all these and see the result. Okay, so now you can see that we have obtained the initial table that we had. Although the sequence is different, we have combined this table into the previous form and we have unpivoted it. So that is the first way, that is using union all. And the next method of solving this in MS SQL Server is using the unpivot operator. So in other SQL or DBMS we cannot use this method. Only in MS SQL Server we can use this. So this is a rather simpler form. So you just have to mention here product name, city and quantity, right, from this table here, and you have to mention unpivot, and using this unpivot operator what we do is quantity for city in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. So these are the three different columns that we're mentioning here. So this is the quantity that we should be aiming to display here in the quantity column. So, and then after that we'll give it an alias like unpivoted result. So that is the name that we're giving it. So now let us see the difference in between unpivot table and union all, right? So let's see the difference in the result. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now we have obtained this new table, and as you can see, it has ordered this using the product name, right? Previously it was ordering it by the city name, so now we have ordered it using product name. So now we can also experiment a little and see if we can order this by city. Sorry, right? So we'll see if we can order this also using city. Yeah, this is possible. And now let us see here. Now to order this, we'll have to create a separate subquery or a CTE and then order it. Because we have used union all here, we cannot order it directly. So what we can do here is we'll be using a subquery here. Let's start from, so we'll give it some alias, we'll give it T, and what will be the order by product name, right? So we can give product name, right? So let's execute this now. Okay, so here also we have ordered it using the product name. You can order it by quantity also, whatever you wish, but this is how you order it using union all. And here it is a rather straightforward process whenever you're using unpivot. So that was all from my side. Thank you.